Hey guys, it's your girl Designisme. Welcome back to Designisme Daily, where we design our own clothes, we design our own business, and we design our own lives. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make the easiest wrap mini skirt you have ever made in your entire life. And I'm getting the feeling that this series is about to be an Ankara printed series, considering the fact that we did work with Ankara prints for the last 2 or 3 videos consecutively. So I'm getting the feeling that it's about to be some Ankara shit is about to pop off, baby. Alright, so let's see how this goes. If you're interested in seeing how I made this super cute skirt, then please keep on watching.
So you are going to need 2 prints of your Ankara fabric, your pattern pieces, fabric scissors, and some pins. Now I just wanted to quickly show you guys how this pattern looks, and if you guys want me to show you all how to draft this pattern from scratch, just leave me a comment in the comment section below and I'll be sure to create a video for you guys on that. I went ahead and cut out my fabric pieces. I need 4 pieces for the front and 2 pieces for the back, and of course the back is cut on fold. You also need a very long piece of fabric or a couple pieces to create a very long band. I went ahead and inserted my dots into all pieces of the fabrics because that is obviously the first step in your construction once there are dots. And once that is done, I'm just going to line up my front pieces with the back pieces and construct the top layer of my skirt first. Size seams, 1/2 inch on each side, and then of course we're just going to give our seams a quick press so that our skirt could lay nice and flat. Once one layer is constructed, we're going to do the exact same thing to the second layer. And once we have both our layers constructed, we are going to place those layers together, right sides facing each other, and we're going to run a 1/2 inch stitch along the front of the pattern all the way along the hem, securing both layers together. Once both layers are constructed, just go ahead and snip your curved edges because that's just a general rule of thumb. And once we have those edges snipped, let's press our both layers together like so. As you can see, we have a completely reversible skirt at this point, and all our seams are nice and neat and nice and flat. Let's just go ahead and grab our waistband now, and the first thing I'm going to do is press our waistband. Alright, so that it's folded in 2. We're going to find the center and we're going to line the center of our waistband up with the center of our skirt. Once we found the center of that, just go ahead and pin both pieces together, and remember you are pinning only one layer of that waistband because we folded it in 2. We're only pinning one layer because we're going to use the other end to enclose our skirt into the waistband. Okay, once that is pinned and secured, just go ahead and run a 1/2 inch stitch along the entire thing, securing the waistband to your skirt. And once that is done, we're just going to grab one end of our waistband. And this is the process of securing it in. Alright, we're just going to grab one end, fold it right sides facing each other, and we're going to close off that band. I always like to give it a nice little angle, but that is totally optional. This is a 1/2 inch stitch as well, guys, and you're stitching all the way along, making sure to stop maybe 2 inches away from where the band meets the skirt. Okay, just go ahead and trim off. Grab a pencil and you're gonna thread that waistband all the way through, and we're gonna come out from that 2-inch space that we would have left before. Just take your time for this part, guys. I know this fabric does not have any stretch, so it might be a little bit difficult. Okay, just go ahead and give it a nice little press like I did, and it's always easier to press that 1/2 inch overlap. That way it's nice and flat, and you could just run a final stitch along the entire thing without having to fold and fold and fold and fold. Alright, your iron is your best friend, y'all. Okay, make sure and extend it all the way past that opening. Fantastic. And just like that, we are done. This is how your skirt should currently be looking. It's completely neat, overlaps nice and clean, and we have an extra long strap so that we could wrap. Okay, so you have a skirt on one side, and my advice, guys, is definitely choose prints that complement each other, or you could mirror the same print on one side of the waistband to match the print of the skirt, and mirror the contrasting print on the waistband as the same print as the skirt, if that makes sense. Alright, so once that is done, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoy videos like these, do not forget to leave me a like, leave me a comment in the comment section below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!